just gonna go get dressed. Okay, so I just had my breakfast, and usually I just have like a cup of tea and a banana with a coffee, and then when I go and do my exercise, I come back, I have my breakfast, and then I take a shower, and then I'm gonna take Sky up. It's absolutely freezing, really cold. I'm just gonna get ready and head to the gym. Oh my god. I'm really like, the thing is like, I don't really like filming in public areas, but I will, as soon as I go in, I'm gonna show you guys the gym because it's absolutely amazing. I've just started and it's been like a week. The thing, I don't know what this is. I think I slept on my face. So I don't know what this is. I think I like slept on my face or something. Also, I broke 2 of my nails yesterday. Oh, I have to go soon, get them done. Yeah, as I was saying, this gym I just started like a week. I used to go to the gym all the time, like a few years ago, but then I stopped, and it's been like maybe 2 years that I actually haven't been. So I just started again to get back to who I am really. Oh my god, my phone keeps falling. And it does have this thing at the back. I'll show you. It has this at the back, so it should stick. It keeps falling off. I don't know why it keeps falling off. Also, I just remembered that I haven't put my microphone, but because it's early morning, it's super quiet. I don't think I really need it. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and head out, and I will see you in my car. So I'm ready to hit the gym. I have a banana coffee for the way. The thing is, like, there's 2 at the same gyms. One's like 2 minutes from my house with a car, and there's a brand new one. Sorry for my nails, I know they look ridiculous. It's been so long. I have appointment in a week or something, but yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to say, oh yeah, there's 2, and there's a new one that's super big, so I'm just gonna head to that one and I'll show you. So it's still super dark. Yeah, so it's still very dark. We're just heading to the car. Yeah, so the reason that I go really early to the gym, like I prefer to be there at 7, so I have to like set off at 6:45. The reason is because I have so much to do during the day that I just really, also it motivates me. It makes me wake up. If I don't have something to do to get out of the house, I can't wake up. And then by the time I get up, it'll be like 8 or something, and then it'll be really late. So now when I go to the gym at 7, I'm just gonna pop the phone in to have my coffee. I don't know why I've got glitter on my hair. I also have my coffee, so I can't live without a coffee. Guys, we have finally arrived. I couldn't find the gym. Like, it's my second time here, and the first time I didn't really bring myself here, so I couldn't find it, and I went around, and Google Map honestly sucks. Like, it said you have arrived, and I was like, it's like over like 5-minute walk at the other side of the road. It's like, I cannot park here. Anyway, we're here, we made it. Let's go. Also, like, one of the other reasons that I come really early is because it's so quiet. I just can't do anything in a crowded area, and also I can't focus on doing exercise. And also, since COVID, I just run away from crowded areas. I don't know, it just freaks me out. I suffocate, honestly, more than being afraid of like catching something from someone else. It's not that, it's just like I suffocate. Hey guys, so I am home and I just took a shower and now I'm just gonna get something to eat and then I'm heading to the park with Sky. It's like 2 degrees, so I'm literally like going to, I never actually dry my hair, but you know what? Today I'm going to dry my hair because it's absolutely freezing outside and I think I'll be at the park like an hour because I want to get back and do some work. Yeah, I'm gonna get started on the design that I started a few weeks ago and I need to finish it and put it up for sale. So we're gonna do that together. So I'm just gonna take a break, take like a 10 to 15, maybe get a cup of tea or something, and then I'll get back. So as you guys can see, I am working on this project. It's a patchwork that I cut every single piece myself, like every single patch squares out of, as you guys can see. So it's been cut out of jeans that I was donated by a friend. She gave me like 3 pairs of jeans and I decided to cut them all in pieces and put them together, and I'm making a cropped suit. It's gonna be super cool. It's gonna have a hood, so it's like a brand new design that I'm doing for the first time. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a cup of tea, but the video is going to continue, so I'm just letting you guys know that I do take a break in between, but the video is going to continue, so enjoy the rest of the video. So I have cooked the dinner and it's ready, so I'm going to go have dinner and then I'm going to come back and I think I'm going to attach like some parts and then I'm going to end the day. So I'm going to sew the sides and also the front to the back of the jacket, and then I think that's where I'm going to leave it for today, and then I'm going to sit and do some edits, and also I think I might do a tutorial for tonight for Instagram, and I hope that by tomorrow I can upload today's little vlog of what I've been doing all day, so you'll be seeing it because I'm recorded for the YouTube video, so you'll be seeing this. Well, so if you see this, it's been edited, but I'm hoping to do it today when I record it also. Anyway, yeah, I'll be back. I'm just gonna go get some dinner, and I'll do some more sewing, and I'll share with you guys. Okay, so I only have like a bit left, and it's like 9 p.m. I'm going to attach a few more pieces together for my jacket to get in shape a bit. Have the first like full front and back bodice, and then I'll continue tomorrow, and I will film as I go along and have a few episodes on YouTube for this one design. Stop touching the iron, it's hot. Stormy. Yeah, he keeps going close to my mini iron is on because I've just sewn some parts, and I'm just going to press these two and call it a night. So thank you so much for watching. I might finish my episode, the first one here. I'm going to have lots of designs like this. I'm going to share with you guys the daily sewing and design what I do. I'll see you on my next episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys soon.